Is your dryer crying for help? If you've noticed some warning signs, it might be time to listen up and consider duct cleaning. We've all had that moment when our dryer takes way too long to dry clothes, or our clothes come out hotter than a summer day in July. These are actually classic signs that you need duct cleaning. Lint and debris buildup in your dryer duct can slow down drying times. This buildup can also create serious safety hazards. Yes, we're talking potential fires. So, what should you look out for? If your clothes are still damp after a cycle, your dryer might have lint hiding inside. And if you smell something musty when you open the door, it's definitely time to investigate. Unusual overheating can also indicate restricted airflow. Yikes! Plus, if you hear strange noises or see lint accumulating outside the vent, your appliance is sending out an SOS. Remember, keeping those ducts clean is like giving your dryer a superhero's cape. Want to keep your home safe and your dryer happy? Let Right Choice Duct Cleaning help you out. Don't ignore those signs. Take action today.